either bring bottles. Some people, ideally you need some information on shape and color for the people who think that way, which would help if you had a database of images. And it would be very helpful if there was pharmacy information available. And a key point is that currently we have supplies on the same list as meds. It would be really helpful to get that off.
Separate them.
But it's confusing for patients. Okay, so we broke it down into like 4 different kinds of people. There's IT sophisticated people, and they should have the opportunity to sign into Health E or its successor and do that online. Be able to look at the list and say yes, no, or what they're doing differently online so that they can do it completely in advance of the visit. Then there's going to be people who bring in their own list, people who bring in their meds, and people who come in with nothing. So the people who bring their own list, it should be possible to look at in each of these cases, we think we need a real person to interact with people. If they bring in their own list, a person can look online. If they can sort online, then they could compare the lists. If somebody has a very complicated med list, we probably need a special level person like a pharmacy student or a pharmacist to do this rather than a nurse. For these 2 groups, we again need a person to go through the list with people. And for these people who come in with nothing and say, I have the blue pills, we need some kind of a pill identifier or somebody who can call the pharmacy. For the most, we need to have resources of people who can deal with the most complicated patients, the people who have the 3-page lists. We need some kind of a person with extra skills. And one of the issues there is categorizing in advance who the complex people are. So that would apply for both sides of this.